Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Modern warfare demands the ability to acquire high-value targets across the spectrum of operations and destroy them with precision and minimum collateral damage. This is where Indian Army is going to use medium-range precision kill system MRPKS, which can provide a breakthrough against dynamic and well-protected static targets by real-time acquisition and precision strike. MRPKS, once launched, can loiter in air and provide real-time imagery to the operator on ground. On detection of a suitable target, the loitering munition with a warhead can be directed onto the target with precision. In the current and future battlefield environment, the precision-guided munitions becomes the absolute necessity in order to achieve first strike kill and psychological ascendance over the enemy. The requirement is further amplified due to the wide spectrum of conflict ranging from sub-conventional operations to full-scale war. This is why Indian Army is looking for an urgent procurement of medium-range precision kill system capable of day and night acquisition and precision engagement of targets. The MRPKS will be used to equip the artillery units to engage different types of permanent and dynamic targets in plains, deserts, semi-deserts, mountainous terrains, and high altitude areas. Indian Army is seeking expression of interest for the 10 sets of MRPKS system under Buy India category of DAP 2020. The 10 MRPKS system will consist of 10 launchers, 30 forward observation stations, and 120 loitering munitions. The systems are required to have a range of 40 kilometers. The loitering munition should have an endurance of minimum 2 hours and capable of hovering in air at an altitude of minimum 1 kilometer. It should also be able to carry out a damage assessment with munition having capability of aborting a target, re-attack and reuse. The control station, which is part of the kit, will carry out mission planning, select target and simultaneously control 2 or more munition if required. The loitering munition should have a shelf life of at least 15 years. The Indian vendors meeting the technical, commercial and project requirements laid out in the expression of interest will be issued project sanction order to develop a prototype as per provisions of DAP 2020. The design and development of MRPKS is indigenous and industry funded. The product should have 50% of indigenous content on cost basis of total contract value. As per RFI, the selected vendor should be able to develop prototype within 48 weeks or 1 year from the date of issue of project sanction order. The MRPKs should be delivered within 24 months or 2 years from the date of issue of supply order. The vendor will also provide 5 years of comprehensive maintenance contract. The MRPK system which Indian Army is trying to procure seems to be inspired from advanced precision kill system from USA, Haroop Harpy and Hero series U Visions from Israel.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.